In the past, we've had to trust some who broke our hearts. In the past, we've had to follow some who led us to a wall. But in you, we see love. In you, we see hope and the courage to carry on, the strength to be strong, and the heart to love more. We run to you. Good luck, Ebele Jonathan.
We support you with our votes. We